Orlando Pirates forward Austin Napolis says the team will hold their heads high despite their painful CAF Champions League exit at the weekend. The Buccaneers produced a spirited performance at a packed Orlando Stadium, overturning a 3-goal deficit against Limpopo of the Democratic Republic of Congo to level the 3-3 on aggregate. However, their continental dream was shattered in a dramatic 5-4 penalty shootout defeat, ending their campaign in heartbreaking fashion. Apollos, who was among the standout performers, netted Pirates that goal to force penalties and confidently converted his spot kick during the shootout. Speaking to OPTV after the match, the Bafana Bafana speedster expressed both disappointment and pride in the team's resilience. As it coming today, knowing that we were 3-0 down, the team fought hard. We managed to score 3 goals, and although we are disappointed as Orlando Pirates, we can take a lot of positives from this game. Coming from 3-0 down to level the tie shows our character and belief. Pirates' comeback ignited hope among their supporters and demonstrated the attacking flair and determination that have defined the Soweto Giants in recent seasons. While the early Champions League exit is a bitter pill to swallow, Apollos believes the fighting spirit displayed against Lupopo will serve them well in upcoming domestic and continental fixtures, and said we have to be in the Champions League. Unfortunately, we got knocked out, but it's something we can build on going forward. With the DStv Premiership and other competitions still on the horizon, Orlando Pirates will now shift their focus to maintaining their momentum and using the lessons from the heartbreak as motivation for the battles ahead. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.